Make it quick, Doctor.
I'm trying, sir, but there's still a lot of refugees to treat. Do we have any idea how many came on board?
Best guess between 350 and 400. You'll get an exact number soon. Is that all?
Yes, sir. What about my request for more hands?
Sorry, Doc. You're gonna have to make do with what you have. When we reach the Titan, they'll be able to help.
Aye. And sir, I know there are a lot of rumblings about taking on all of these refugees, but for what it's worth, I do think it was a good thing.
Thank you, Lieutenant.
Push on! Move up!
Oh, shit! Corbin, you got an exit strategy if this thing rolls over?
She'll slide off the reef at some point. When that happens, we better be out of here. With the voyage recorded. Watch your step. We're heading for the damn. Here's the hatch.
Record found it!
Wait, let me help you with that. Open it up. We're going down into that. You could swim, right, Marine? Right? We dive all the way to mid-deck where we should arrive above sea level. Gear up.
You heard what the motherfucker says. Jump in.
Survivors? Could be mechanical. We have to move. Water level is rising fast. Everyone good to go?
Good to good.
They're close.
Sir, sounds like an SOS. Someone could be trapped.
Don't know that, Sergeant.
What happened to searching for intel and survivors?
This ain't the time. Get that, Sergeant. Tens of thousands of lives. Depending on what's right. Which room? The whole floor is underwater.
Shit. I think the water's rising.
Our job is to get the intel out before the ship goes under.
Fucking great. She's filling up.
Inside of that door.
Get in there, quick.
Down here! The water's rising! You gotta help us up. This is the only way out of here.
Don't worry, we're gonna get you out.
Step aside, Marine.
Fuck, it's closed. Shut! Shoot it open!
They're dead already. Let's move.
Fuck we are. We're not leaving them.
Look, even if we had a torch, it would take 9 minutes to cut the welds. At the rate the water's rising, when we do get them out, there'll be corpses. We need them. That's an order. You heard Garrison.
Man, fuck you. Hold on, soldiers. Give me that. Oh, damn it, Irish, cool down.
Sorry.
Let's go. Move, move.
Son of a bitch, I'll get him to the... Get his ass. Wrecker, we gotta go.
Hey, they locked us in here! Please told me to say that I want to die in here.
Who locked you in?
They locked us in and just left us here. I don't know why.
They launched the missile into the ship and then boarded it? It doesn't make sense. Wrecker, we should go on.
Hey, I don't want to die in here! No! Please! Tell my mom! Tell my mom! Help! I can't die like this! I can't die like this!
Let's get this over with. A couple of minutes, she's going under.
Found it, Wrecker?
Now we get the fuck off this piece of junk.
About fucking time. Back to the Falcon.
I hear voices. On your signal, Wrecker. Take them down.
Out of our way, bitches! Yeah, why don't you flee, assholes? Take cover! Move down! You gotta move! What's your name? Jolie! That's one hostile down! Get them! Move, move! Get out of here! Run! Breaking apart! Jesus Christ! Go way past Irish. This shit ain't happening. It's coming back, Irish. What the fuck we gonna do? Hold on, man! We gotta go! Come on! We got contact! We got contact! Council! I need all of you go. Stay cool! gun run! Oh god! Oh god! Oh shit! Get the fuck out of my way! Tombstone's coming through! Come on, speed up! Oh, dang! They're gonna tear our apart, motherfucker! It's not over yet! Good shot! Get us to the balcony, Wrecker. Chinese are trying to board us! Fuck! Enemy helo! Fuckers lining us up! The well deck is open! What's Garrison thinking? Fuck Garrison! Get us in there now! Motherfuckers, close the gate! Everyone okay? Invading our own. Come on! Gotta get to Garrison before it's too late. Invading our own. Come on! Gotta get to Garrison before it's too late.
Tombstone! They're all over the ship! They're trying to kill us all! Where's Garrison? Command bridge fell silent 10 minutes ago. Trained people probably cut the wires.
Ah, god damn it! What about the people with Garrison? The man and woman?
What man and woman?
The Chinese couple?
There's Chinese all over the boat.
Ah, fuck! We gotta get back to the bridge, now! To the command bridge. Lead on, Ricker!
Watch it, guys. Not sure who's friendly and who's enemy.
Watch that helo! Roger that.
Supply crate's up ahead. Grab a stinger. Wrecker, you gotta aim! Fuck! That's a miss! Got you, motherfucker! Yeah! Good shot, Sergeant! Push on!
Holy cow, she can fight. Where the hell is he?
Garrison had him relocated.
What? You left the side?
He doesn't know who I am. What was I supposed to do? Fight him? I have kept the line of defense. Call command deck. Ask Garrison where he's located. He'll listen to you.
Jesus Christ, Hannah, the command deck is cut off. Let's get the hell out of here. Tombstone, let's go.
On your six. You're full of surprises, aren't you, Hannah?
Eyes open. Ready?
Hostile neutralized! Get into cover! Damn it, we need to get to the bridge. On your 6 seconds. Hannah! Short bound!
I got it, Matt!
Bridge is up here. Can't clear this alone, Record. Give me a hand. Hurry up. All right. Chopper, watch out! Hostile helo is down! Hell yeah! Don't mess with the Valkyrie! Incoming aerosol! Oh no.
Troop carrier! Take them out before they deploy!
Tombstone, give me targets!
Gotta make sure those fucking don't reach the command bridge.
Standing by for targets! Give us a target! Light them up before they can ready to engage!
Hostile chopper at the stern!
Ready for targets! Get back to coping!
It's probably all in there. Take it. Garrison has the codes. Jane's gonna hunt you. You'll be the center of it all. Make sure he lives. Marines, you tell Garrison he has to trust her.
Thank you.
Wrecker, you take the lead. Go! Let's go. Come on, let's go. I'll take point, squad leader.
What are your orders? Go to the bridge and look for Garrison? Looks like you're back in command.
Captain Garrison, the bridge is clear. Is he okay?
He's stable. Where's Agent Kovic?
He didn't make it, sir.
Son of a bitch. Thanks to Tombstone, the Valkyrie still floats. She's a wounded warship, though. A long way from home, boys. Hostile waters. I don't think we've seen the worst yet. So I'm glad to have you Marines on board. Sergeant Recker, I want a debriefing in 15 minutes. Tombstone's yours.
Hoorah!